I cannot stress it enough. Co-regulation is the answer here in the emotional domain. It sounds mean to say, but kids have a lot of background. They may have a lot of trauma. They may have a lot of issues. They may have a lot of emotional stuff, families, all kinds of things are going on, clinical even. It's not a free card to misbehave. All right? And I know that sometimes that's really hard for us because we know that the kid's got a tough background, but it still doesn't give you a right to, tell me where to go and what route to take and take my mother with me. All right? Got to get a handle on that. But the only way you're going to get a handle on that is for me to co-regulate, meaning that when kids are unraveling from an emotional standpoint, the best thing we can do is not unravel. The best thing we can do is demonstrate for them a response that is what we would like them to do in the situation.